mbula sati kamungo.
Nimbolo minaka, ni andra nimbolo minaka na sema tumani mutaka ni vaka dhambi sige ni kuwa VDFM Facebook page. Na mutaka minaka dai wa andra mambulo tani mikimu nikitsarra na sema tumai. Be sai burubura na muno dhamga nindo matamuli mikira na mutaka ni kuwa ya uno munitokani mika galbola.
Turokatani ngo ingonde misika kaya.
Sa andangase.
Warumbu ni kuwa. Warumbu ni kuwa badaba ni kuwa hivi.
Ni kuwa ilolombu badaba.
Wa situ lolombu 24/7.
24/7 badaba ningira nambo kisamuthi.
Ngori na ode receipt tan telepon.
Ondi? Osante?
Senga suen receipt. Matan ko telepon sin tubi unambung.
Rere nelo mi ka sabi la ka gichuko.
Iyo mongara una dena lawala ko dale deba no mulati-lati.
Deba na lati me sotaba.
Trabalho tu komisaria na gorro.
Mai.
Kabina katamika.
Ano.
Kemrawi isa.
Iya.
Drole mo de baoti.
Mo de baoti.
So, mo batamika ngame.
Kira talaga biya bata.
Unfair.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ouch Malangi Show. Right. And thank you to Punches, new cream biscuits, so creamy in every bite. And we're going to be talking to Sarah. Thank God, it's a Friday.
Of course.
And the Baro Bukamango and the Maro Takani Sava Talitu, and Dona Mother morning Ravita, Madam Monichka, and Romatakali to sit here Romatakali Lai. Nikwa Rombo Kasaman to know him in Dawa. Oh, Samako. Oh, babi ni mnaka chukuri tono Water Authority of Fiji na venga rabi lebu. Venga rabi binaka singa kena bongi. Ana bongi ni venga rabi na nonto bitol ni
ngorisa. Maramatina. Right. Kasi ni mata kasi na dabu tibir na posa kwa dabu tako na tura ngani kinia ya.
Right.
Wera ngone buli.
Iyo.
Ni sabaru serek na buli.
Iyo.
Tomorrow you'll wake up and you'll sleep again. So we came together maramatina tomorrow you'll wake up and you sleep again.
Why?
Because the weekend.
Saturday.
Yeah.
It's a long weekend. Thank you very much.
Right. Long sleep.
Long sleep. Ramada go. Text basu. Say ni finau.
Right.
O cheso ni rokoloa. Matali kire be sakara yanda usinga. Ratu si Kelly tamba kaudoro.
Good morning. Good morning.
Datang na dorbo ni Afrika go Abdi.
Oh.
Kay ko nan datang na boy ni Penjingo. Batali kina ada Oa. Wais na rusa. Wena lumiti umena mata binani ko aberto na gang si damit mai Australia.
Right.
Na mata ka binaka dindai.
Kita naman muli tungo sa tarang gori may kay potay kita na siyam singo kana Project Heaven. Project Heaven team tiksa ramain ko kay Singatoka.
Right.
Bula binaka pa tambua ngoneali.
Bula binaka.
O bitati o apikali o seini.
Right.
O Sarafina. Sabi na pala Sarafina na doniti. Turun tumoko ya. Daw may ngunti. Tayo manda ng Bamba Kaungo Kam. Of course, the one and only. Mommy Beauty from Lebuka.
Julum.
Mone Boyti Verata tuning in all the way from where?
Arcas, that's from London.
London in England?
No, here in the Kunuku.
Oh, the city. Paris in Asgang side.
Nalaman na babi di Paris.
Paris.
Silva Spring, Maryland, my America. Suko tungo na job.
Right.
And singa lo tulebu ni ko sangay kami lo tulebu ngo.
Ndonu
Para si Konrabu.
Right.
And not forgetting the family who are joining today.
Right.
Not forgetting the Otondo bakana bay.
Extremely.
Babi bitungo to na bageng ni balikuro be.
Hanta.
Kami bona maraman ni wala wo opa.
Right.
Lecture rumay na biti menete sawa.
Ndonu
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
And thank you.
You want to tuning in this morning. William Melinganganga.
Wow.
Hey, good morning to all the people from the village of Nalolo. Na ituranga na italatala. Hey, turang talatala. Mula binaka.
Right.
Petero. Lolo Hea.
Right.
Leni koro may lebuka. Mabimbinga may veya mua vere wanga soko. Nantao niya binaka.
Right.
The dedication sent from the Linganganga Aba. From Nalubatu. William Linganganga.
This is Linganganga?
Yeah.
This is the brother of who's that fellow down there? Driver.
Oh, Bir.
Beer boy.
Bir and Linganganga, they are brother.
They are same family tree. Serenangoro and the family, thank you very much for joining from Melbourne.
Right.
And the family there and Chisoko.
Right.
To the Singatoka Safari. Thank you very much.
Listen. Someone saying good morning. Tix long about.
You
know what she's saying? Good morning to our neighbor.
Yes, you the guys in Lumi in Kuka.
Yeah. Oh, this one in Lumi.
Yeah, Lumi.
Oh, come.
This is a singer.
Oi. Tell him to come. and visit the cooker place.
Yes.
Because the cooker place is very, very
Take the
dangerous.
salt, the veggie, everything, the woody together with you.
Hey, good morning to the family, Aminesi Tupura's family.
Right.
From Tadirua.
Okay.
They, Aminesi called,
Right.
and he said, Mika,
Iyo.
come to my house.
Come.
You can take everything you want inside here.
Right.
I
Oi.
saw.
The wife.
He saw you one, not the wife.
Okay.
He saw you the flat screen, big one.
Yeah,
Yes.
And everything if you want.
Iyo.
At 9 o'clock, he'll be here.
Tell
He'll
him,
take you.
challenge the grog.
Challenge the gorogoro step over.
Yeah, if you want me to take everything, okay, challenge the grog. You want to challenge the grog?
Yes, of course. One day,
Friday.
when you are old.
No, I'm not old. I'm not gonna be old. Story, my brother.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a story about a family.
A short story.
A short story of a poem. Alam mo ko na volleyball.
Yeah.
Then from there,
Yeah.
these two, everyone, like the menu for weekdays,
Yeah.
is totally different
Menu.
from Sunday. Yeah, the menu.
Right.
The menu of weekdays, Monday to Friday,
Yeah.
it's different from the menu of Sunday.
Monday dal,
Huh?
Tuesday roro,
Tum.
Wednesday tea with bread.
It's like that. Eh?
Yeah,
Normally,
something.
we
Yeah.
eat leaves.
Right. Leaves man, tamati.
Ikaw, nambele,
Oi.
namoda, nagongor ng bulmakaw. We normally eat leaves like roro.
Right.
In the Monday, in the weekdays. Eh?
Okay.
So we are looking forward. Like a different menu will be on the table
Right.
on Sunday.
Like what always said, eh? On Sunday,
Yeah.
don't drink grog because you eat the good food.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Like
yeah.
that.
Truce.
Continue.
Then from there,
Yeah.
these people, this family, these two, only two of them.
All right.
So they are in the forest.
Yeah.
They was camp in the forest.
Who?
Them.
Yeah.
These two was there in the bush.
Yeah.
They want to come down on Friday.
What were they doing there?
They bush.
Or they farm?
Yeah, they farm.
Okay.
So, so when they come there in the house
Yeah.
on Friday,
Right.
drinking and tea, eh?
Right.
Tea in the afternoon of Friday.
Right.
Saturday to tea.
Whoa! No good.
Because of the main event
Oi.
in the Sunday.
They're looking forward for the Sunday.
Chop suey,
Chop suey.
Right.
Curry.
Right.
the fish,
Yeah.
the pig,
Yeah.
Whoa!
the pork. Every different kind of menu, eh? With the present on Sunday. Ako go pig, mitumena toro.
Yeah.
From there, they was prepared for the food.
Yeah.
So, the head of the family,
Yeah.
Ota,
Yeah.
the father,
Yeah.
okay, he don't want he kneel by mouth on the breakfast.
He just focus on the lunch.
Because he focused
Yeah.
to, empty stomach well.
Yeah.
Then he was looking forward for the
Running stomach.
running stomach or musu.
For the nice food so that can wash the
Nauro.
limbs away, eh? Wash the limbs away.
Okay. Continue.
Baka may sabak na nakakana. So he was kneel by mouth on the breakfast.
Yeah.
He was looking forward for the lunch. Balala kete binaka, meron ngay kana binaka on the lunch time.
Okay.
So he went to the church.
Right. Who do the cooking?
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy went to church.
Yeah.
So when they come back,
Yeah.
he was hunger.
Right.
When he was hunger,
Yeah.
he was come to the food.
Right.
He asked her mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy, how are you?
So mommy didn't go to church.
He go. He go to church.
Yeah.
So when he come back, tem sarabay name bola binaka.
Yeah.
So when he come back,
Yeah.
he asked the mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy,
Right.
ma,
Yeah.
lunch?
Lunch. What's for lunch?
What's for lunch?
Yeah.
Hey, the lunch is here, is ready. What the
Just
lunch?
sit down.
Pray.
Uh.
When he pray,
Yeah.
kay boso ka ba kila boso ba nando to?
Yeah.
He pray, he say like this. When he open the fish,
Yeah. The fish.
the eyes.
Yeah.
When he open the eyes,
Yeah.
he see the Roro.
Oi!
Hey, Roro! Again, Roro.
Roro
Aye.
in the bush. Roro here.
Roro in the bush, Roro in the village, Roro in the church.
Yeah.
He open my eyes, I see the Roro.
Yeah.
Kana.
Yeah.
Siya, I thought today is Wednesday. Nikila ko ni dolo ka na ngalo man ni kau. Pero ko may namoni tikin na rombo kan ran kau. Ningo ni sala kami sita mo sana mako kana matanggali menu. Sala re kalau kana bang ko kana. Simbiro ka kana ba? Tarumban li kana buso. Naruru simbiro ka. Ai. Mbarang ko ya singa bugelulu.
Mita signa yan raminaka mana sara sa mucho mai. Anda mataka vinaka ni kwa. DJ Lai siya mo chumigo.
Lai kati boy.
Na wala sara na siya mo tumay.
Ay undana kana no gundo ufenta kana do rubungo na na talendi.
Ni
Siberia asamo realeo.
Gaya boy ni back te ko to na backup.
Right.
Serena Goro.
Doru naka.
Na kasen.
Selindriu.
Tebi taraya kim boleh menaka siya mo sara chumigo may serne why star ma tamami boleh menaka Rosa Samanunu not the mbele. Torika Rokobesu boleh menaka.
This one Samanunu
Right.
This is the dangerous girl from us, my Bonolebu family.
Only in Bonolebu.
Like,
keep it there.
Like dangerous in what way?
Like when you see her, you can tell she can fight her. Yes.
Fight what?
Fight for everything.
DJ Lai for listening this morning. Thank you very much.
He's not listening, he's watching.
Hey, listening and watching. Listening same time watching. DJ Lai, thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you so much. Everything, your voice is melody. And everything is good.
Okay, kita sa.
Nawala mo kalong ata.
Mga nini binabi kim nino kanan beto karabel mengo na BT FM.